Hi all, it's 12 October 2021 today. I'm going to touch on the revival of the Chinese tech stock. Have the Chinese tech stocks bottomed? Hi, this is just a quick introduction of myself. I monitor financial markets for over 18 years. You can read the rest here in this slide. Appreciate a like if you like this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tencent and Alibaba need no introduction. But why the excitement and fear over them? Alibaba, over 400 billion USD market capitalization with diverse business lines, e-commerce, fintech, supermarkets. But share price declined tremendously since November 2020. The lowest price point, 138 USD, which is around 43% of all-time peak of $319. For Tencent, we definitely do not need any introduction. You and me have used WeChat, which is very well known as part of its ecosystem. It's also a leading game developer with various taking Bilibili, Kuaishou, Huya, Douyin, the streaming companies. They also have its VC and PE arm to invest in portfolio companies, and they have been investing very well. Their fintech business, the WeBank, is also very successful in China. This is the share price chart of Alibaba. So what has it done? It's the leader of the four, which commenced in November, 3 months ahead of the decline by other Chinese equities. Current price of around 163 USD is around 51% of its all-time peak. We have to see whether the price level of around 158 can be supported, so that if it can hold above 158 US dollar for this month, it bodes well. We have to see resistance level 2 is 227 USD. But where is resistance level 1? Well, it's good to look at Tencent chart as well. I will touch on R1 in the later part of this video. So here is the Tencent chart. The current price this morning is 485 Hong Kong dollar. It came now together with Hang Seng Tech this morning, so it's down a bit. But so what? At 485 Hong Kong dollar, it's around 63% of its all-time peak. Support right now, we have to see whether it can hold 450 Hong Kong dollar. If it can hold this month, it may bob very well in the sense that if it can test 500 Hong Kong dollar as well, it's a confirmation that the reversal in uptrend is possible. It's a good sign. So like what I say, it have to test resistance level 1. So if with Tencent and Alibaba above 450 Hong Kong dollar and 161 USD, it's a good sign. So what factors lead to a price fall? For these signs amidst the worrying fall in Chinese tech stocks, why? Retail investors and traders have been saying, hey, our dear Charlie Munger firms double down on Alibaba investment. Isn't it incredible? It's a show of confidence of the long-term development of China. And people know that Charlie Mungers and Warren Buffett know China very well. And the Financial Times reported that there's bull case for investing in China now, sometime in October. Well, we have the Alibaba Meituan power out yesterday, jumping on the fact that there are bets that China crackdown tech is ending, and Chinese tech stocks jumped tremendously yesterday. But will more fines and regulations be ignored by the markets going forward if it happens? Because so far the TT penalty have not come out, or the kind of reprimand have not come out. So what will happen? This is the question to think through. Well, I'm showing here the relative price performance of Alibaba and Tencent. Why? These are the two biggest Chinese tech stocks. Shouldn't we look at them? It's the year-to-date chart. As you can see, Alibaba price structure is still weaker than Tencent. Alibaba is down almost 30% so far this year, but Tencent is down only 14%. That's why, for me, I prefer Tencent over Alibaba. I prefer the stronger stock. So So right now, what's R1? Like what I mentioned just now, resistance level 2 is around 227 USD. But R1 right now for Alibaba, it had to cross 190 USD strongly to confirm the uptrend. And at the same time, it should not fall below 158 to 161 US dollar. And that's my take. As always, this should not be construed as any investment or trading advice. Do stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can be kept updated promptly when I release new videos to reflect the changing market conditions